Hi guys, my name is Reggie, Chief Technician and Master Detailer from Mafra, Italy. And in this video, I'm going to show you the do-it-yourself headlight restorer Regenera. In times, headlight will start to fade by the use of chemicals, wear and tear, and of the burning of the light. Because of the heat in combination with the chemicals can fade the headlight. The kit contains sandpaper with a block, a sealant, a polish, and instructions for use. Now I will be your instructor for today, so we can skip this part. There are three types of sandpaper. We're going to start with the red, follow up with the blue, follow up with the gray. Now while I'm working with sandpaper, I just want to sand the headlight. When I get to these corners, there's a possibility I could hit the paint. For this, I'm going to use a little bit of masking tape to protect that from getting scratched by the sandpaper. I'm going to use a little bit of water for the wet sanding effect. The water will take away the freshly sanded part and will give me a little bit of lubrication while I'm sanding the headlight. After stage one, the red sandpaper, moving on to the blue. This grid is smaller and softer to remove the scratches from step one. After stage two, the blue sandpaper, we're going to remove sanding marks from the blue with the final stage, the gray. Step number 4, to remove 6,000 grit sanding marks, we're going to use the headlight polish with just a microfiber towel and some elbow grease. The headlight polish is complete, and for that, the last step is going to be the sealing. This product will protect for 3 months against UV protection and chemicals. Just spray on product, wipe, and we'll let it cure for 20 minutes before completely wiping it off. Completing all 4 steps will get you to a result like this.